We talked about the outside turn, inside turn with the handshake. So right over left, handshake, right over right. Basic first, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. We talked about how follows and leads need to be grounded instead of stepping this big. And then when they turn, they go even higher, bigger. Stay grounded all the time, one level, yes? Pretend you're holding a bucket of water on the top of your head, and if you do this, it's gonna spill. You gotta keep it one level, regardless the way you do. 5, 7, 1. So that way you don't spill the water. See? Handshake basic, 1, 2, 3, 5. Preparation, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. After this, hairbrush, cross body lead. Leads, when we lead a inside turn, it's with the two hands, not with just one hand. Don't drop this hand. Keep it here to lead 5, 6, 7. Follows, you're looking for the lead to do 1, 2, 3. Crossbody lead 5, 6, 7. Yes, if I do it again. 1, 2, stay in one level, 5. Preparation, outside turn, crossbody lead, inside turn, hand on the back, 3 and 5, 6, 7. Yes, that was for 1.5. Now for 2, we did a right over left. Again, ground yourself all the time, balls of your foot. Básico, 1. 5, preparation. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So let's talk about this. The turn. Penguin steps. Once you make contact, keep going. Drop and catch. We can keep going, keep going. Drop and catch. Keep going. Contact, drop, catch. And keep going. See? Don't drop the hand all the way down. So the lead, if you do that, so right here, drop the hand all the way down. I'm like, okay. Then abort mission, continue with one hand. So now that we're left over right, we do a Copa, open break, 3, weight even. See? Transfer the weight for the follow to the left, 5, 6, 7. As they lead, do a mini side step to the right, 7. Follows, please have tension here. Don't have tension. If you don't have tension, then you're gonna be doing either shrinking one hand, extending the other, boom, boom, you'll be off balance. Yes? Have tension. It's like you holding 2 walls, not letting you squeeze you, holding. So then when we push, your whole body reacts. Then hairbrush, crossbody lead to inside turn, 5, 6, 7. She knows I'm behind her. Then I go 1, 2, 3. Just a little break. 5, 6, 7. Yes, so now let's do it fast. Basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Prepare. 1, 3, 5, 6. Open break. 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Open break. 5, 6, 7. 1, 5, 7. 1, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Yes.